The Swift CNG is back. When Maruti introduced the 4th generation Swift in May this year, it missed out on a CNG version. But now, prices have been announced and they start at 8.19 lakh. What does this new Swift CNG get over the previous car? Is it more fuel efficient? Does it have more features? What all has changed? Let's take a closer look, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Welcome to CarWale. I'm Aditya Nadkarni. Before we start this video, let me remind you to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that like button at the same time. Maruti now offers 3 variants as opposed to 2 in the previous version. These include VXI, VXI Optional and ZXI. And each of these variants command a premium of 90,000 over their petrol counterparts. To make things simpler, the variant-wise prices are available on your screen right now. Let us get the numbers out of the way first. The Swift CNG produces 69 bhp and 102 Nm of torque, which is 11 bhp and 10 Nm less than the petrol version. On the other hand, the claimed mileage has gone up from 30.9 to 32.85 km per kg. Yet, this isn't the most fuel efficient car in India. If you know which one tops the list, let us know in the comment section below. There are no changes to the feature list of the Swift CNG and the set will remain identical to the petrol version. Key highlights include a 9-inch touchscreen system, automatic climate control, wireless charger, cruise control, rear AC vents and Suzuki Connect telematics. The safety suite boasts 6 airbags, ESP, hill hold assist, ABS with EBD and rear parking sensors across the range. Let me tell you some fun and interesting facts about the Swift. When compared to the last gen car, the new Swift CNG is not just 6% more fuel efficient, but the carbon dioxide emissions have reduced by the same amount as well. The CNG variants account for 15% of the Swift sales in India. Is it the first, the 5th or the 10th? No, it's the 14th CNG car offered by Maruti Suzuki in India at the moment. Deliveries of this new Swift CNG will begin on 12th October and the first region to receive this car will be Gujarat. Rival brands such as Tata and Hyundai currently offer twin CNG cylinder technologies in their respective cars. But will Maruti move on to this new technology? Only time will tell. That's all for today. We'll be back soon with another informative video. Until then, stay tuned to CarWale via our social media channels and on the website.